RE20s, AKGs, Neumanns, I've got them all. But yeah, that Fethead, it's got a little bag with it. Comes with a little bag in it, and a little tube, like a little tube to put it in, with plastic caps there. So I've only used it once, stuck it in, and I thought, I don't need it. It's just, there's no difference really. I'm doing. See, my preamp gain is on 3 o'clock now, and 6 o'clock is, or should I say, just past 5 o'clock is maximum. So with the Fethead in line, I could go to 12 o'clock on the preamp, and I still can't run the preamp. I still can't run the VU meters. I can't run them high. It doesn't work. But when I read after the it's not the RE20 set. I mean, I've had this microphone that long, and Rolly, my friend, he said, "Why you don't?" Anyway, you know what it's like. You got to try it, haven't you? But if it was the RE20, it would be a different thing. You know, you'd need one with an RE20, and that's why I asked you about your SM7B. But right then, Tim, I'll better go. You take care, and as I say, if you know anybody, obviously it'll be a cheap, good price to you there, like. And M0 Kilo Echo Papa GW4XLS.
Yeah, cheers, Ian. I just realised I'd cut the load out of the bottom end actually, so I'm back on the Sennheiser now, and I've now popped the bottom end back in. It might be a little bit heavy on this bandwidth, but yeah, I will. I'll find out if somebody wants a Fethead, and oh God, you know what? I was going to say something. What was I going to? Oh yeah, I know. Sorry, that 3 band of that Cushcraft I'm getting rid of. What were those 3 bands you've got on it over?
10, 15, and 20 over.
Roger. Okay. Oh, I'll have a think about that. I've got a load of radials down now to put a DX Commander up, so I'll try that first, see how it goes. But anyway, yeah, cheers, Ian. What's that like with the extra bass? Is that a bit too bass heavy now, over?
No, it's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't have known you'd swapped. You know, I've got to be honest. I'm always honest with audio reports. I wouldn't have known you'd swap, but if you did a back-to-back in A and B, because you caught me surprised. You know, I didn't realise. You know, so I wouldn't have known. But I'm pretty good if you do it honestly. Switch. You know, this is it. I don't like knowing what people are using. I'd rather me just say I prefer that or I prefer that. You know, but. No, when because you just switched over, I wouldn't have known. There's not a night and day difference that I could tell then. Initially there was when you did it, but you've confused my ears there. And you've altered it as well, haven't you? So as you said, you've done the bass there. Yeah, the DX Commander's okay, isn't it? It's, you know what I mean? But you won't beat a Yagi. You won't beat a Yagi, I don't think. Always, you know, I mean, the DX Commander's a compromise, isn't it? At the end of the day, it's just a one-element multi-band vertical. Does the job. It does the job. You know, it does what it says on the tin, as they say. But no, you won't beat a Yagi directional.
Oh no, I do realise that. Yeah, it's just for general use. It'd be great to have a vertical, and I've got the doublet now. And so if I had a vertical as well, that means I could switch between the DX and the NVIS quite easily. And then once I've got the master, I'll have a look at Yagis then, doing a bit of serious DX. Anyway, yeah, so the reason I probably confused you is because I put the bass back in on this Sennheiser. It probably sounds a little bit more like the Shure did, because I'm talking a long way away from the mic now. And so that's just setting A, and then if I go to setting B, this is what I came on as with the Sennheiser, and what I was using is the Shure SM7B, over.
Yeah. You throw in something else into the equation. When you start talking fast on the mic, you're bringing room acoustics in and that, and it alters the tone. The signal's not strong at the moment enough. You could do with a 20 dB signal as well to be more accurate. But I did prefer the Sennheiser close up. But as I say, if I'm only like an inch off the mic. I am. Proximity with this. See, a condenser mic is very should be very critical with proximity effect on a condenser. It is quite. Normally a good condenser mic is quite critical on the proximity, and it alters the tone. As I say, with the dynamic mics, they reckon they don't do well, especially the EVs. But there is a difference in these as well. They do make a difference. I'll just back off like you. So what's that? 3 foot away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 foot away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right then, that's about 2 inches away. That's over.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, that was just like I guess what mine's like. So I'm now talking a lot closer to the Sennheiser, and I've got the full bass profile going through as well. I'm not sure what the Sennheiser's like with proximity effect, because it is a shotgun microphone. It might not be quite as sensitive as most of the other condensers. I really don't know. Anyway, I better let you go, Ian. Otherwise, you'll be on it all afternoon. Good to talk to you, and I'll catch you soon. Anyway, cheers, Ian. Some 3.
Yeah, Sam3's Timothy. I think on the as you say, it would have been a shotgun. That's maybe a different type of mic as well. But I've got another mic here if you want to buy it. Still got about 8-year warranty on it. It's a Rode NT2A, double boxed, like new. I haven't even used the cable still wrapped up in it, over. And the shock mount never been used, over.
Yeah, Roger. Actually, they're not bad mics, those, but no, I wouldn't go for the Rode for some reason. No, I'd love the an RE27 or is that the latest Rode one? The latest electric one that has got the proximity reduction. I can't remember, but no, I would. If I was to buy another microphone, I'd go for one of those, I think, and probably get rid of the SM7B. But it has got a nice sound to it, that SM7B. But I think it's a bit better if you turn the bass cut on. If I was singing or something.
I don't know what you've done then, unless you radio. I don't know if you're messing about with the cut, but you've gone, you disappeared. All right then, Tim. I do need to go, yeah. But it's £150 for that Rode NT2A. And the Electro Voice, the 27, been out for the years, hasn't it? They've got a 320 now, which is like a newer microphone, lesser cost. So, and I think it's supposed to replicate the RE27 a little bit. All right then, Tim. I don't know if you're back or what was going on there, but I better go. Yeah, Sam, please, Tim, if I got to go. And good afternoon to the shortwave listeners.
GW4XLS, Golf Zero, Whiskey November, Juliet, GM8OFQ for a quick one, Ian.
Jason, what a quick one, go ahead.
GW4XLS, G0JNT. Hello, Ian. Lives in Grimsby. Now we've got to go. I've just been messing about with microphones. Any comments on the audio? Ian, back to you.
Yeah, Q5 Les. I've got nothing to compare it against, so yeah, it's good, very good, Les.
Yeah, Okay, and yeah, it's not too. Excuse me, got the gas boiler running in the background. If you can hear a bit of a rumble, probably hear the boiler running. It's not too bassy, is it? Is there a nice mix of tones from bottom to top? Here we go.
Yes, it is. But as I say, you were sounding good. Well, have you changed? What have you done compared to the other day?
Yesterday I was on the M70, which is a condenser microphone, Yaesu condenser mic. I've gone on to the M90, which is a dynamic mic. It sounds a little bit more lively to my cans at the moment, Ian Go.
Yeah. Well, I wish I had more time, because I'd like to come. The only easiest way is back to back, in it. You know what I mean? All right. I tell you what, no, this might be the wife. Let me just. Oh, she's good. Oh no, that's Tim seeing his computer. Well, that's the problem you get when you get SDR radios. The computer's crashed. I don't know if I could cope with that, Les.
Well, no. I'll stick to the conventional means of communication. I'm on the FTDX 5000, Ian, same as yesterday. But I did have a comment from a friend this morning that the audio sounded a bit not right on the M70. So I've gone over back to the M90. Obviously, had to change the parametric equalizer settings in the radio. You know, the EQ in the radio. But just yours are pretty strong with me, well, very strong with me, and I thought moving into the A word, of course, you will tell me for sure if the audio is sounding definitely US. Back to you.
Yeah, I'm picking you up on the side of the beam. Not it makes much difference with high angle signals, but yeah, just turning the antenna, it's just coming round now. Yeah, it's nice to have a comparison there. I can hear like around the back of your audio there. Did you say you got something running? Did you say heating or something?
G0JNT, yeah, the combi boiler is about 4 foot behind me, and I've got the central heating on, so that's the noise you can hear is from the boiler, Ian. Yeah, unfortunately I can't do an AB check or whatever you want to call it, because obviously the parameters, the EQ settings for the M70 are different from that of the M90, so I can't do a quick AB check, but I just thought I'd try this microphone and and see what it sounded like. Ian, back to you.
Yeah. Okay then. Well, there's nothing wrong, you know. I mean, it's not bad. It's nothing wrong. So it's Q5 when it's sounding good. So obviously, if it was wrong, bad, obviously I could detect that. But no, it's just good Q5 and nice, soft and smooth LED. All right then, Les, I better go. The wife's been mad here, man. We've got to go. She wants to go down to Chester as well, and so I better go and. My cup of tea will be cold after putting in the microwave and my pizza. 10-3.
GW4, so SG0JNT with a noisy combo boiler in the background. Okay, and let you go there. Yeah, thanks for the quick report anyway. Catch you later and enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks, Ian. GW4XOS, G0JNT.
Yeah. Tim, I gotta go, but